Wagwan ENT.
What is this? If I can't play it for special, leave it for me.
The mark of the most star. And all time people have a saying for say. If he no go so, it near go so. We have a sound boy out that spend out their life to get all the dub play to silver play.
Yeah.
And if he no go so, it near go so. But silver you sleep on mad that you never see a light a sound boy yet. Many are called and chosen after you never see a whole a sound boy and chop him in two. When a ball for no mother or no father. If no mother or no father, no ball for no boyfriend. Step out of the dance and look a fool, baby, and come deal with a boy case.
Yeah, man, original silver for them case again, man. Pick up yourself, man, this man. You are going now. Things that look a sound boy, no see it. I talk about them hands, and them a bad son. I wanna stop them, a mad and bad. Yeah, man. Bow them hands, they like him sound and get wanted. When them span see them and them curtain. Hey! Hands, they like him sound and get wanted. When them span see them and them judging, mama. Big silly talk right. You drop some water, come on time, hey, mama.
Yeah, you're lucky about.
Come on, silver, come here, come here, talk, mama. Hey, try the case and give them lifestyle. You should have told them God and really try the case and them hear them and go and bow them hands to that sound and get wanted. Them fancy them and them cursing.
Super.
Hands to that sound and get wanted. Them fancy them and dance all this thing they want you. Put certain things go on the Africa can I file and a machine to go from. No one that oh you want this thing. I thought you want it like you want don't play kid. Don't you every day no stop program wicked. But them dope on the fingers spin like I give the last count for your thing. And then piece of it and steal round him up and rub him.
No, that's right.
I'm from him arc him about like Ali. Come check me regular. If you toothpaste this soap and I left me dinner mama. Come check me regular. My pants and my shirt and my
Mikey Dread,
mama.
Original cassette man here. No, too much tune for play, yeah, man. No, you know one thing I like for ask a promoter. You know what I like for ask a promoter, so no. I want to listen when we play tune, you know. Watch this.
With them tag and you slang and sing. I just want to go and John self and stick with the ears and what silver dial and keep in tune. Can the music nice, you put up your not ear and say, Boo! Boo! Come down, wee man.
Yeah, me ask the promoter, so no. Listen.
Respect to all fat y'all, all cook-on-come y'all. And Dan man, master.
Yeah, me ask the promoter, sir.
I want to bring silver for you. Kill them. All also.
Hold on! That's way to want to get out. I'm going to say the one, Mr. Tiger.
Oh. I want to listen to silver with them tiger new slang and sing. I just want to go and John self and stick with the ears and what silver dial and keep in tune. Can the music nice, you put up your not ear and say, Boo! Come down, wee man. Respect to all fat y'all, all cook-on-come y'all, sing. And Dan man must sing. I wanna bring silver for you, kill them, all and sound boy, them, Gemini come here go kill, them, Exodus come here go kill, them, Stool Love come here go kill, them, Metro Media come here go kill, them, and if Balgard come, we kill them, Gilbert Sound come, we kill them, see, come again, all them sound boy, them are hang, we have the dub plate, fear them, gunshot out, hey, kill them, see, they come from east, you go kill them. They come from west, you go kill them. North and south, you go kill them. See, come again. Y'all me say when you body, come again. Move up your body, hey, come again. Silver axe, so it a play, come again. See, come again. Them bring one sound from New York, wait. They never know how to kill them.
Hold on. Well, you notice that tune you play, your name don't even call, you don't even recognize. Now as we enter, voice on courtesy the one, reaching out to all the road boy them in that place. See, this is the voice on courtesy the one, Mr. Anthony. Let's reaching out to all road boy them. The one road boy them catch this. The article tune just for you and you. Hear this.
Yo, this is Anthony Response Silver Hawk sound, #1 sound in the land. Every time. Listen up. When music hits you, feel no fear. Silver Hawk, how I love you. Gave all I had.
Bam again, Mr. Selector. As we enter a voice on courtesy of the one that star Alton is reaching out to you and you and God knows who. Now as we enter outside the voice of one Mr. Alton, reaching out to you, all the article road boy, and we play article tune for you. See it? The must we enter, catch this.
Yo, this is Alton Response Silverhawk sound, #1 sound in the land. Every time. Listen up. When music hits you, feel no fear. Silverhawk, how I love you.
Hey!
Gave all I had.
Right.
They tried to kill you. Now I'm so mad. But now it is the time to kill a song. That's how I feel in my heart. I've got to say, oh, how they suffered. Oh, how they tried. Gave up their pride to lose by my side. And whosoever tried, let him die, 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 let him.
I'm tuning on the radio, man, and lucky to have a man. The ones we enter, seeing, it's that tune I'm going to play, seeing, to get a special like this, you'd have to sell a sound and sell the whole like dubplate them we have. So if we play a special like this, you wouldn't have no sound. So catch this. As we enter, reaching out to all the road boy them in that place. This is the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Delroy Wilson. Reaching out to all the road boy them in that place. Seeing article tune does for you and God knows who. Now catch this.
I Delroy Wilson this. Want a champion sound. Bad sound. Silverhawk. Here's to each and every one. All the posse. Big up our sound. And big up our
This is Ska.
Silverhawk are the best sound.
Now.
Up in a killing mood. Up in a killing mood.
Ah, road youths.
Up in a killing mood. When you feel the beat, you got to move your feet. You got to shout Silverhawk.
Yeah. Hey.
Your sound got cold. Silverhawk on the control. You're gonna die.
Super.
Up in a killing mood. Up in a killing mood.
Listen to classic tune as it plays.
Up in a killing mood.
Now.
Up in a killing.
Now cannot.
Son boy, you die.
Outside. This is classical. Ow.
Hey, dibby sound, I'm gonna kill you down. Pack up your old jumper.
This is classical music just for you, for all the article road boy them in that place. Now I play a special, you know. Boy, would even talk about that one, yeah, cause you could have to sell all the gas station where you pass.
Some boy, we don't come here to blow balloon now, suck sweetie. Neither come here to make song with Nari. Funny. Come up.
This is culture.
What a li bam bam ba eh. When the
Now as we enter, once again our courtesy of the
hey,
culture.
some boy, we don't come here to blow balloon now, suck sweetie.
Yeah.
Neither come here to make song with Nari, eat baloney. Come up.
Super.
What a li bam bam ba eh. When the ark attack. What a li bam bam ba eh. It bring a heart attack.
For real.
I tell you now. What a li bam bam ba eh. When the ark attack. What a li bam bam ba eh. It bring a heart attack.
Sound boy.
Ark and a sound boy. Buck up in a station. And when them start this stick licking, I pick out a dub and he lick him any shin bone. And the whole of some boy started to run.
You say now.
Why? What a the bam bam by when the ark attack.
Right, too much tune for play with us, I cut them short. Now, Mr. Bunny Whale, and why you come in, because you know, it's a long time in a touch on the ark, so watch ya. As we went to us, voice on courtesy of the one, Mr. Bunny Whaler.
This is exclusively yours, Bunny Whaler. This one is not for sale. Only one sound in the universe can play this one. Silver Hawk, Boris. A Silver Hawk on the random.
As we went to us, the voice on courtesy of the one, Mr. Bunny Whaler. Reaching out to you and your God.
This is exclusively yours, Bunny Whaler. This one is not for sale. Only one sound in the universe can play this one. Silver Hawk, Boris. A Silver Hawk on the random song. A Silver Hawk on the roof them all. Galang, 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 galang. A Silver Hawk on the random song. Hey, Billy boy. A Silver Hawk on the rule them all. Silver Hawk been ruling dancehall ever since you were a child. So don't come trying to dictate to I about dancehall style. East, west, north and south, it is I you rule the land. I play original style while others play for fun. I wounded many a sound, called King Kong son of a gun. Many more did come, and many more had to run. So while I advise you try not to get in my way, you'll be defeated cause you'll never play what I play. A Silver Hawk come fi ram dancehall.
Now, you said tonight, I want to play at least half a silver dub box. Some of us have cut them short. Now forget them specially if I have X amount of dollars and contacts, because this is a tree the roughest way you can ever get it. Freddie McGregor tune it up half pint. Be a big artist, listen.
Coming from half pint. Freddie McGregor, come up and say it to them now. Well, this is 3 the hard way, you know, so Freddie McGregor loves Silver.
ENT.
Well, massive, you know, say Silver rule here, man. Champion Silver, you're up.
Hey, hey!
Champion Silver, no sound can test.
While I cut them short, yeah, take the forward there, watch this.
Champion Silver, no sound can test. No bumping, no boring, no riffing, no rapping. Silver, I'll keep you all night young. Moonlight and starlight, we have a good rock dance. Freddie McGregor give them more lingua, more lingua, more lingua. Silver Hawk, whoa, whoa. Gonna kill a sound if it takes all night. You better dig it, better dig it, better dig it. Silver Hawk, whoa, whoa. Gonna kill a sound if it takes all night. When you dig it, when you dig it. Everywhere you play, the people say you are the best. You're rougher than the rest.
Now Mikey Dread, big up.
Downtown, all over Jamaica. Walk in every contest. Come to
Now tune it up, listen.
Silver Hawk is a hard sound today. What a hard sound today. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard sound today. Silver Hawk, rough sound in town. Silver Hawk, the roughest sound in town. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back.
So the voice of the one all courtesy and the one tree the roughest way. Now Mr. Leroy Smart and why you come grill up something for we. Now the last time we Kenan play up a film turf, you know. And play some alligator man and some cockroach man and all them things upon special. I would never hear the part of 45 yet. But anyway, Mr. Leroy Smart come in. And this... Oh, one more before we check out the Kenan. See? One more before we check out the Kenan.
This is I, Leroy Smart, your original. And all some boy will go on like them rough. But this is Silver Art.
This is classical, listen.
A sound boy, listen up, hey. Attitude boy, but I say, because you get up every day and you chuck it with your dub. So one day, your dub it a got done. Going around making disturbance, going around giving Silver that day. Hey, a sound boy, but listen up, hey.
Now,
attitude boy,
you want two more culture?
From the prison to the mount to the cemetery. That's how I know bad boys end up, you see. Going around making disturbance. Going around giving silver that day. Giving silver.
Out to the voice on courtesy of the one, Mr. No other, Leroy Smart. Now, as we enter on courtesy of the one, Mr. John Holt, and this is the last show.
Because themselves, so steal the come.
John Holt! Tonight is the night when Silverhawk is gonna bury a sound guy. We never want to go burial camp, but tonight is the night.
Here it is!
Soundboard, this is Silverhawk too.
Hey!
Let us speak to the golden rule. Soundboard, you better know yourself.
Right.
Because tonight you know it's going to be dread. I know you're gonna live and cemetery. You never want to go and live and cemetery. You should take my advice. And don't turn up at the cash tonight. Now Silverhawk, I murder you. Now Silverhawk, I kill you. Now Silverhawk, I murder you. Now Silverhawk, I kill you, soundboy. Back up the different soundboy.
Wow, so the voice of Mr. John Holt. Now, Kenan come in.
Remember, son boy, you know, sister, you out short a plate. When you bring a little dub plate them in the kitchen and make the people them serve the tin mackerel and the old chicken back pan it going. What are you talking about? About to know have Canon? We stop watch Canon on TV long time.
For real. Hold on. We'll stop watch Canon on TV long time. For real. Now! As we enter, wishing out to all the current crew and bounty all the article road boy them in that place. Big up now. Guys,
Well, sound boy, tonight there is no peace in these. Agony impression, fire under your feet, boy, your original front gold teeth. You can see now on the front teeth, pussy how we eat, I must say underneath Burger King you treat. Kill the pussy Silverhawk and get it rate, because the pussy that's a sign and a shop night leads. You know, say Silverhawk sound and do it. You know, so we kill all of the pussy in a Jamaica and kill them complete. Watch me now stealing, a boy can't do it. If I got you the one, fuck with it, I can make we kill sound again.
come again. Hold on. Hold on, we don't want the man to beat the thing, see? See, we don't want the man to beat the thing. No, we enter one of the voice.
Well, sound boy, tonight there is no peace in these. Agony impression, fire under your feet, boy, your original front teeth, gold teeth, you know, see now on the front teeth, pussy how we eat, I must say underneath Burger King you treat. Kill the pussy Silverhawk and get it rate, because the pussy that's the sign and a shop night leads. You know, say Silverhawk sound and do it. You know, so we kill all of the pussy in a Jamaica and kill them complete. Watch me now stealing, a boy can't do it. If I got you the one, fuck with it, I can make it kill sound again. I got you the one, fuck with it, we are going them again. Yeah. Hey, no pussy test, I miss no pussy. Let me know. No pussy test, I miss no pussy test. Riding a east and we come from west. And every pussy get them skin distress. Silverhawk say him know about the west. Hey, every man a carry a gun and a bulletproof vest. Hey, just the pass is a dub, the one and nether them a test. Yeah, we stop a gunshot straight in our chest. Cause we wearing the bulletproof vest. Superstar of the midnight guest. Silver star say him dep on the press. No other pussy hole coulda never. And if I got you no one, fuck with the I can make we pick on no again.
For real. Now a while ago, me as Lenky said, boy, can I not go on film and nothing not go on film. Well, me remember, you go back to Trevor and tell him say you want to play back Roadstar again. But sorry, the man said, boy, your thief him dub. So you can't play Roadstar again. I tell the people they want to go on. Now culture.
You ever see when them one old lady have them one black phone like a country with two little chicken and when a hawker come, you want to see church with that
to the culture.
Hawk! But the hawk now leave it, the hawk must carry it. When it's like this hawk here, you talk about this hawk, the only hawk with the one black spot. You understand? The black spot I'm rubber dub plate. Let me hear this. Silverhawk don't stop. Busting and killing up.
My selector.
Hey!
Out to the voice of culture, watch this. You ever see one sing like culture? Listen culture.
Like a country with two little chicken and when a hawker come, you want to see church with a big and big and just a man. Hawk!
York, nah, leave it there. Must carry it. When it's like
Now Reggae and Sprocket and all go. Watch out.
This half the only half with the one black spot. You understand? The black spot I'm rubber dub plate.
Now.
Silver Hawk don't stop. Busting and killing off a sound boy. Don't stop. Fighting and killing off a sound boy. It's not a shame. For Daddy Hawk to slaughter a boy in the street.
Now.
And let his blood keep running down the dance. And the people are rocking to Silver Hawk sound.
Anyway, Lenky.
Hey!
Trevor say must bring back the plate where tea from Roadstar here. So make sure you bring them back. Now once we enter, Uncle the Shed one mix and mix, reaching out to all the crew, love the tune to the max. Watch it.
Silver Hawk sound. Let you dance your ass off.
Back till the morning.
Now.
I mean, Mickey.
Yeah man, you know some boy wanna take food out of the sun boy mouth. But you can't take food out of Silver Hawk mouth. And food up gonna pull mouth. Where the muscle crew? We say the Hawk in the air, I know the Hawk fly.
Fly down, man. Watch this. As winter, how can I say the one mix and mix?
Silver Hawk sound. Let you dance your ass off.
Right back till
Why they can't supposed to turn that 38 by this? Watch this.
Yeah man, you know some boy wanna take food out of the sun boy mouth. But you can't take food out of Silver Hawk mouth. And food up gonna pull mouth. Hear this muscle crew. We say the Hawk in the air, I know the Hawk fly down.
you are the maniac crying on your mouth.
Silver Hawk in the air, I know the Hawk fly down.
You are the maniac picking on your yard.
If stone love off anyway,
We lock him up.
if black stone off anyway,
We lock him
Oh,
up.
the name brand sound call and a special.
We
Watch
shut
out.
him up. Figure it.
if Roadstar off anyway,
Put him one side.
Silver Hawk in the air, I know the Hawk fly down.
You are the maniac picking on your mouth.
Silver Hawk in the air, I know the Hawk fly down.
You are the maniac crying on your yard.
Cause the people never know us so we done. Long time we are an obsession. Angela Palette and the cat named Sharon. Look at me, coffee rich number one. So me stay me and so me to kitchen. Silver Hawk in the air, I know the Hawk fly down.
Now, enough tune for playing when we are play tune, an X amount of tune. Now, a while ago, me here, what you say? Once a Lenky run left the sound. Now, anyway, this one, a boy I hear him play something like a burial a while ago. But remember this, never you try that on Silver Hawk. Listen to this. Cause we not got no
Any
sound
sound
funeral.
will quarrel.
Listen, Bunny
Any
Wailer.
sounds will clash. Please stop them before it's too late.
Now, laddie, pick us Martin and pick up.
But a special rings out, and the pain can be felt in the heart.
No, Jordan, Air Sport.
Hey. One of them won't sleep tonight. One of them will weep tonight. One of them won't rise in the morning. One of them will stand tall.
Listen to
One of them
people,
will
listen.
take the fall, wearing the humiliation of dancehall.
Now, Nami, big up.
You want Silver Hawk? Come up, burial.
We don't got no sound funeral for real. The man we enter once again outside the voice of courtesy the one.
Many
Mr.
sounds
Bunny
will
Wailer.
quarrel. Many sounds will clash. Please stop them before it's too late. But a special rings out, and the pain can be felt in the heart.
What
of
one
the selector.
ENT?
One of them won't sleep tonight. One of them will weep tonight. One of them won't rise in the morning. One of them will stand tall. One of them will take the fall, wearing the humiliation of dancehall. You want Silver Hawk? Come up, burial. Silver Hawk no go, and no sound funeral.
That's right.
Want Silver Hawk?
Come on, cannon burial.
Silver Hawk no go,
And no sound funeral.
hey. Now we know the truth. That's the time to put
can't fit you, man.
Making sound business on your head. Hey. Now might as well you be dead. Oh, silver heart. Come burial. Silver heart no hope. And no sound funeral.
No, that's why I like it take with the man them dub, you know. For real. We want to come a silver funeral. Now once we enter, this one reaching out to all the road boy them in that place is the voice of Mr. Anton Ellis. Now hear this.
Greetings to the people. Alternately speaking right now. Silver Arc sound me listen to every time when me come to Jamaica. And I want you to listen to this.
Now
I can't forget all the sounds that they kill in Jamaica.
search it. Now Mike, straight don't pay attention.
Hey!
See? Now it's a sprocket dig
People,
out.
alternately speaking right now. Silver Arc sound me listen to every time when me come to Jamaica. And I want you to listen to this.
Now sprocket dig.
I can't forget all the sounds that they kill in Jamaica.
Now Joe Dog here sport dig out.
Jamaica.
Anyway then in the world, watch out.
I can't forget all the dub that they played in Jamaica. Jamaica. We've been playing sound for a very long time and there's no other sound that is equal to mine.
Now
More sound to come, more sound to run from Jamaica.
come on.
Jamaica. Look here. More sound to come, more sound to run from Jamaica. I got it danger. Oh, I love it more than any other sound. Oh, I love it more than any other sound now.
Now
I can't forget all the sound that I change in Jamaica. Jamaica. Look here. I can't forget the selectors we changed to shoemaker.
some of them don't count, so.
Shoemaker. We've been killing sound for a very long time and there's no other sound that is equal to mine. Silver Hawk sound is the champion sound in Jamaica.
For real.
Dead in Jamaica.
Now, this one reaching out to my brethren like a scene, because I'm run from Roadstar, run gone punk cannon. But hear this, Mr. Delroy wants to kill the
Yeah, man, Silver Arc, original sound, original singer. Yeah, hear me? Sound boy, long run, short tilt. Say, hear me? I want to select the one they use this template and chop that sound boy over there. So, sound boy, well, palm grass, the singer, Delroy Wilson.
The hawk is gonna catch you. The hawk is
now.
You gotta run till you can't run no more. A silver hawk is gonna catch you.
Again, Mr. Wilson's range on. Courtesy the one, Mr. Wilson.
You gotta run. Silver hawk is gonna catch you. You gotta hide. Silver hawk is gonna kill you. You gotta run till you can't run no more. A silver ox gonna catch you. Yeah. You gotta hide till you can't hide no more. A silver ox is gonna bury you. You gotta run till you can't run no more. A silver ox is gonna kill you.
Now.
You gotta hide till you can't hide no more.
Hear that kind
Silver
of.
hawk is gonna W.
I hear earlier I'm playing Mr. Willie Wilson, but we are going to play it on special to show you how versatile ways. Now once we enter our courtesy of the voice, Mr. Willie Wilson, you want to play the 45, we play the special. Catch this. Reaching out to all road boy who know true. Listen.
Sound.
Now.
I whip a song, go and get some people tonight. I whip a song, won't get no supper tonight.
Come on.
I love the song, go and get some banking tonight. I hope a song won't get.
Play at least half a silver box tonight. Watch out.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
Again, man. From the top. As we enter, catch this. As we enter, all courtesy of the boys, Mr. John.
My son, have you any last request?
No, sir.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Amen.
Now pick us a lot of big up.
Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond the hawk is coming down.
Now Ricky, big up.
Wanna walk up young way. 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 Take this. The hanging tree, we will take it to the hanging tree. The hanging tree, we will take it to the hanging tree. Any joke sound and strive it is weak. When I say mumble, chop them up and put them down the sea. It's the hanging tree, save a hawk of a hanging tree. The hanging tree, we will take it to the hanging tree.
Now Ricky Automobile Reserve.
Any joke sound, come strive it test. You know walk up this, you know walk up this, you know walk up this. It's the hanging tree, we will take it to the hanging tree.
Let's rock it, don't worry.
Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond the hawk is coming
Now
down.
Marcia.
Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond we come for the whole man town. Hanging tree, we will take you to the hanging tree.
So that all courtesy. All one, Mr. Heineken Moses as we enter. Now, only big up yourself.
Boy, do you know say we have baby face? We kill people too, you know. Do you know say we gonna laugh? You know say Silvaca come back this
Hey!
thing.
Hey! Hey!
Cool. Come up, Pioneer, come out, come.
Now G got the driver, big up.
Right now, right now. We love the silver heart. And it's sunken part, sunken part, sunken part this year. Silver hawk step hotter this year.
Right.
Don't you like it? A sound boy feel it. Silver hawk step hotter this year. I saw the hawk step hotter this year.
Hey, hey, hey.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Down this,
Hey.
hawk no miss.
Hey.
And the sound boy miss. Hawk will live it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Respect, don't take a set. My set will cause you death.
Now, as we enter also that now, Mr. Heineken Moses come in once again.
This year sin. So all bad boy just hold your current. Bill, 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 bill.
Bounce on.
Bill, 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 bill. Shocking out, silver hawk is a soldier, them on the scout. Shocking out, silver hawk is a soldier, them on the scout. Shocking out, I'm a shocking out. I am a soldier, rougher than the scout. Shocking out, silver hawk is a soldier, rougher than the scout. Hawk is the champion, will kill any sound. No follow, no put down, depend on no clown. So no dress and no vest, must try test my skill. No weekend and we will. I am a star just still. Cause I'm shocking out. Hawk is a champion, killing the storm.
So that now Tanita. Seeing Hungarian ask to link up into main. Now, Mr. Cat, I want you to come in and watch her.
Yo, I want to look about to while you talk about reverse hearse. Post all in the sea curse. Here a man, cut the long talking and jump night bag. Steal it, put on the tag. Silver Hawk, watch me fly out. I'll post the skull lick out. Sound boy, show out here for this lick, you can't stop the long talking. Words. I tell you, done for them and not done for you, man. Done for them and not done for you. Done for them and not done for you, man. Done for them and not done for you, man. Some of them come and brag and some of them come and them got wrong. Some of them say that them a done gone. Some of them a say that them a done dapper done. Some of them a Dan Carbon. Silver Hawk, him a dance up all dan. Dan. People uptown a call him Grandpa Dan. People in the Barbican a say Grandpa Dan. Them cry, Grandpa Dan. Grandpa Dan, tell them Silver Hawk sound and it's a real Grandpa Dan. No lick a dibby sound or no old pan. No draw up alongside the veteran. Kill a pussy now and sling him in the ocean. Chop him with a double plate, drive head or him and make him know this are the dog hard sound upon the land. It's a the Grandpa Dan. Grandpa Dan we cry. Killing pussy, we kill them for fun. Killing pussy, a whole of them a come. Killing pussy, we kill them for fun. 50 grand and a sound off a run. 50 sound are where we come for show down. Some of them a run and some of them a island, some of them days done. Tell you this a sound like it a hot sun. Anytime we come now, see nigga kin bun. Sound boy there and a pack up and run. Boy I run and drop on for the name and drop down. Me say, killing a sound boy, we kill them for fun. Killing sound boy, we kill them for fun. 50 grand and him days I got done, him have to run. Dan da ya, see da dog a dance on. And anytime we come a sound boy have to run. Back up, yell up, him have to get up and run. Them have to get up, yell up and run. And when they all fly down, down. Wanna hear me? Wanna hear me? Wanna hear me? Dan for them and a dan for you, man.
Now, so that. No, Sprocket. I hear say said, come call Pecos and Laddie. Boy, the man is already at sea because Silver can play. Now, once we enter, I'm going to see the one Mr. Freddie McGregor catches.
This is emergency. Can I help you?
Why you want to Silver just got out the sun, boy, fell down the sun, you know. So now pass and look for the drug, is him try it up, so,
You need first aid?
I want that dozen first aid, sir.
Carry them, come.
Step up, Freddie McGregor, when the Silver sound fears. Come on, boy.
Oh, well, we gonna hang up another song tonight. Whoa. Watch this. Off at the angle sound boy. You got the blade. Hey. Try to test me because you need a can of first aid.
Take it one more to the cannon.
Oh, well. Hey. You're under my jurisdiction. And don't you forget it. You're under my observation. And don't you forget it. Remember, talk at the angle, sound boy. And you hold the blade. Don't try to test me because you'll need first aid. Yeah. Oh well. You'll need first aid. Oh well. We're in a competition, right? Don't you forget it.
One more.
We're in a sound clash tonight.
To the cannon.
And don't you forget, remember, Hawk got the angle, sound boy. You got the blade. Don't try to test me because you'll need first aid. Yeah. Bring the ambulance, come. Silver Hawk kill another sound tonight. Oh well, yeah. Hey. You're under my jurisdiction, and don't you forget it. You're under my full observation. Up to your chest, boy. Remember, Hawk got the angle, sound boy. Hey, don't try to test you.
Out to the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Freddie McGregor. Don't foreplay the last tune. Don't forget to.
I'll big up all crew. And hear me now, we say we stop dealing with respect. Cause too much guy are deal with disrespect. So you want some guy have some gun box spec, some 2 ankle spec, and 2 kick spec. I'll big up all Barbican massive. I have some sound that talk about them a play special. And all August Town crew I wanna listen to me, you know. There's no sound in the world that can test Silverhawk when it comes to special. Cause horse is horse and class is class. Now that we get back the race horse.
Now Sprocket big up.
So listen to this Jimmy Cliff special. Only play by Step Up.
Well, this is Jimmy Cliff for the champion sound Silverhawk. When we come now, sound boy and have none time. Well, they tell me of a sound up in the sky. Waiting to see the heart die.
Yeah, man.
But between the day you're born and when you die, never live to see the hard light. 'Cause as sure as the sun will shine, I'm gonna wear that crown 'cause it's mine. So boy, the harder you come, the harder you fall.
Hey, hey, hey.
Again, Mr. Alexa.
Hey, hey.
Sound them just a junkyard, them just a play hard. We kill them in the east and we kill them in the west. No the sound just can't test.
Yeah.
Silver art, we put them in a distress.
Yeah. Hey, hey.
Them just a junkyard.
Bouncer.
Them just a play hard.
Now listen this.
Well, sound boy, well listen this. What's the meaning of life?
For real.
Life it is for living. It can bring loving.
Bouncer.
What's the meaning of life?
Now, Mr. Frankie Paul, I want to come grip up with Mr. Supercat. Warm and easy, watch out. How these are fighting.
Yes, 107.5 with Frankie Paul and Supercat on Silver Heights, the #1 sound.
Now you look about to face catastrophe talking about you can move and go with sound boy, shut your pussy. Silver, stop the boy, mouth lose it, lose it. Kill the pussy and come down Frankie.
I want a sound that has quality.
Yeah. Do you hear that?
So when I'm singing, I hear melody.
Listen, pussy.
Some boy don't test my tranquility.
Killing.
Remember, my name is Mr. MP.
Follow me now, follow me now. Sound boy out the road, them nothing know where you live. Say where we drive and them don't know where we live. Man, a silver hawk prerogative. We killing sound and we back it. Follow me now. But we kill them up a mandible and tongue a slide of hill. August down over Warwick Hill. In a Clarendon and shout as hill. Yes, suppose the whole on better right up the wheel. Silver act like a soldier a drill. We 16 on him back like in their Warwick Hill. All the sound boy them a light up and a right up them way.
So I feel groove. Silver heart can move. So won't you do me right now?
Move out!
Yeah, I feel groove.
Leave me!
Silver heart can move.
Stop pussy!
So won't you do me right now?
Man, and me wake up as some dub we wicked. Like a acid we in a liquid. And when me throw it in a pussy, man, them burn and get wicked. And when me kill them like me bad and wicked, me I'ma kill them in a Kingston and Warwick Hill. Kill them up a shooter hill and over man the veil. Go and tell them silver action, man, him bad and wicked. It's a silver prerogative. We killing sound and we pocket it. So follow me, because we kill them over here, so and over there. So me for Frankie Paul, there I'm happy sing over here, so.
It's Saturday night and dance all night and everything is right.
Out to the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Frankie Paul alongside Mr. Supercat. See? Now, you know, so we have to go up on the girl them case, because we love the girl them gone to bed and we couldn't leave them out of inch and we get pinched. Watch ya. Mr. Shabba, come in.
Oh man, and I saw that sell a pump pump. All the silver girls
Christmas a come.
Money come first and then the walk.
Now.
Oh no. Everything I raise up. Where uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump pump to. Listen, everything I raise up. Where uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump pump to. Bully babe. Gone up, pricey house. Stepping up, rise. Gone up, bully babe. Stepping up before you let off the work. If you devil some dollar sauce, make a man know say $10 can't buy French cut. Before you let off the work, if you devil some dollar sauce, make a man know say $10 can't buy French cut. So, man to woman, I may know that is a must. So, woman to man, I may know that is a must. So, every man have a time turn up on a woman with that feet touches a dress, then stand up. As a walk a bat and shake, a man can if a man can get up, then a man want the walk. Him a follow, the woman beat club. Woman everything a raise up. Where uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump pump to. Listen, everything a raise up. Where uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump pump to. Bully babe, gone up, price the house. Stepping up. Some girl a go like say them, I tell them I'm go have one frack girl. Ball it out, you have X amount of that.
So what?
Say them, see them I'm go have
one shoot, girl. Fling out your foot to have X amount of that. Now wine, I make the general say, ball it out, you're not afraid of nobody. Girl wine, I make the gargle say, hold up your one and neck full of jewelry. Me notice from what you from your start get trust. All of your friends, them a walk on a chat. You all of them a say, you a go like you're hot. I go like you're nice, like you're on top. But nothing no wrong if you go like you're hot. You inna you wanna shoes and you inna you wanna frock, girl. You wanna gold chain and your gold watch. You wanna own people, you and you no cut. Bad man, it's a go kill you all of them. Guns full, it's a go mad you all of them. Bad man, it's a go kill you all of them. Guns full, it's a go mad you all of them. Some of your best friends, baby, best friend then. I show you bad face, you don't know how I do them. Some of your best friends, baby, best friend then. I show you school face, you don't know how I do them. Them get up every day and talk about you and them a friend. You want look better than you, don't know why you look better than them. And you look better than them, you know the friendship end.
I call them in the bend, put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all Aspen Cambridge go and go cool out. Vroom, vroom, bend, put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool. Vroom, vroom, 20-40 man a rev your body. Hey, hey. That simple means that the girl a taxi. This is make 41, but me no want it. Vroom, prefer if she give it to Dick and Tom and Harry. Vroom, Lord, I come on in our country. And the few man drive them can afford the money. When the girl have up a bench, I carry the prestige money. And that's why me want she to sing it for me. Or any young youth in the community. Enough man a talk and them want a lady. So come, give me the Benz, put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all Aston Cambridge go and go cool. Vroom, vroom, Benz, put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool. To drive a prestige money, you know when me a talk about. When me lick it in the gear, not even smoke, not come out. Put on the ball out and no put on the square. Can put on the get about and no put on the turn. Can put on the roundabout. And one thing me know me now go eat it to the mouth. Me use my brief knife and slice it up all about. Me show them grinds my name is a put on the scout. Give me the Benz, put on the make we go and drive it out. And all Aston Cambridge go and go cool. Boom, 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 Benz, put on the make.
Reaching out to all the girls.
And all taxi cab just go and go.
That's really juggling, watch this.
Make them stop you like under 50. Boom, boom, make them stop you like I said 90. Boom, boom, make them stop you like a E20. Hey, boom, make them flag you down like a taxi. Boom, boom, too much man, rev out your body. While you open up your ears and listen to me. Any girl they around with the prestige funny. Them girl they have a certain shit of money.
Some big fat girl can't angle body. You still want right bank.
To Shabba.
Magazine girl can't take wiring.
Hey,
you hear she a ball like a rat baby. She went up for the bike but she lamp on the hood top. Side with the girl catch boat top. She a ball out it at boat top. Pop me hear the mouth and the head stamp boat top. If you love bike back, I'll go come, I'll go hey. Because you are not going to love bike back. But if you love bike back, the remedy to that, the remedy to bike back is the old stamp boat top. If you love bike back, boat top, tell them be a natural fuck. If you itch on the right, then the right side top. And you have to itch right side on the old top. If you dip on the left and a left side top. And you have to dip left side on the old top. So the silver arm girls can angle old top. Them jump up now and bend down flat. Because them at them lift up them frat. And we right around the stand angle old top, old top. If you love bike back, old top. Be a natural fat old top. The one named Jerry killing that old top. Fatter, him a man that no fatter. Have a gal can cream old top. She a skin her teeth, grab up her body mouth. Shut a better way she got old top. If you love fine old top, tell them be a natural fat. Don't big fat gal can't angle body. You still want right from Kawasaki. Magazine gal can't take wine rig.
No one nobody girl be your punani. Cause a silver act alone want them put on the key. No one nobody girl be your punani. Cause a silver act alone want them put on the Babylon girl. How we put your punani key uptown girl. How we put your punani key rockfoot girl. How we put your punani downtown girl. How we put your punani key we grind spoon up. I tell a young girl with the we grind push up. I tell a young girl with the we grind stood up. I tell a young girl with the she ball out, be mommy she ball. Whoa, she just a ball, be daddy she ball chang. Just take time, I tell me body so girl. Hush up your mouth and listen to me cause rubbing put on it is my happy girl. Me now summer rub it till your ball out with grey. This like a ball game without preparation. Just a fling like tack up on a young girl body girl digging it. Push up your hand, you wanna pussy body garden. Shout it out, you know want nobody garden. Still body garden, still body garden, still body garden. fatter, you no pussy body fatter, you no pussy body fatter, you no pussy body scared. Jerry is no pussy body, Jerry is no pussy body, Jerry.
Out to the scratch version. But anyway, watch how me gonna mash up the place now. I wanna listen to this. If me no mash up the place, I come out of the dance. Watch out. And Winter, outside the voice on courtesy. I want Mr. Tiger. Listen to this. Reaching out to you and you and you and all the crew them boats are seeing.
Silver! Simple and trusty. You son boy. You go like you rule the Kingston. You should never reach pumping station much less you fat.
Yeah?
When we tell something, run the redeem. I went plat one day it's shoe.
Yeah?
Yeah. Silver, just go and play tune them one by one.
Listen.
We don't know say rule and the girl them love and sing. I will just go and listen Tiger. Them dead no. I want them take alpha. Run alpha. Run.
Hold on, Star. Hold on, man. Star, I don't want to show me I do.
Hey!
Well,
now, Mr. Tiger, what you have to say for the silver?
Simple and trusty. You son boy. You go like you rule the Kingston. You should never reach pumping station much less you fat. When we tell something, run the redeem. I went plat one day it's shoe.
Yeah?
Yeah. Silver, just go and play tune them one by one car. We don't know say rule and the girl them love. I will just go and listen Tiger. Them dead no. I want them take alpha. We don't know say alpha the run dance of that. Red no. I want to take alpha. We know you're the youth where them call Tiger. We don't have no dope there. Red. We don't go red. We don't have no girl. Red. We can't rule the place. Red. Hey. Red no. I want to take alpha. You better listen to youth where them call Tiger. Red no. I want to take alpha. Me want you to know I hit the girl them fella. Me go on like that with the days go on shoes. So you hear me know what Tiger is song salute. The girl know me nice, sexy, black and cute. I want to open your face with my boot. Hey, red no. I want to take alpha. What if the song go and tell us? Hey, red no. You better listen Tiger. I mean you run the place where the ram dance that. We'll pull up a girl and fool and moral. Why if you know say up my canal. And then really up them gate no girl. Better know before we talk say we are the general. Red no, I want to take alpha. You know the silly indoor ramp rasta. Red no, Jerry are the selector. We want you to take in the youth Tiger.
Now, this one reaching out to all the man, them time them get the pussy, them don't talk. Original get to no chat, watch this.
When the girl them get the put on, don't talk, no chat, man. Don't like that.
Out,
Keep them out shut up, papa. You know, when the girl them give you the put on, don't tell nobody. And them again. Yeah. When the girl them give you the put on, don't tell nobody. And they call we original get on the chat and we must get the pump when they come back. When the girl them give the put on, don't talk, no chat, man. Don't like that. Keep them out shut up, papa. You know.
Now.
When the girl them give you the put on, don't tell nobody. And them again. When the girl them give you the put on, don't tell nobody. When they call we original get on the chat and we must get the pump when we come back. Original get on the chat and we must get the pump when we come back. Me, I took one policeman gal. Yeah. I'm in a darker ooh. Hey. Me, I took one soldier man gal. Yeah. I'm in a darker ooh. Hey. Entertainer. Me a juke for them gal. I'm in a darker ooh. Certain producer. Me a juke for them gal. I'm in a darker ooh. Jamaica. Original get on the chat and me must get the pump when we come back. Original get on the chat and me must get the pump when we come back. All of them and them we get on the chat. Hold up the one and you feel like too short. All of them and them we get on the chat. Hold up the one and you feel like too short. Strongest man them get on the chat. August town man them get on the chat. Topping man them get on the chat. Tivoli man because I'm not the type of man who sex a girl and chat. Oh no. So we are original, get and no chat, and we must get the pump when we come back. Original, get and no chat, and we must get the pump when we come back. A gal give me from Gregory Park, and I know Captain Barking not talk. A gal give me from Wendy Park, and I know Captain Barking not talk. A gal give me from Dasha Park, and I know Captain Barking not talk. A gal give me from Bushy Park, and I know Captain Barking not to me that. Original, get and no chat, and we must get the pump when we come back. Original, get and no chat, and we must get the pump. Give it up, me ball. When the girl them give you the punani, don't tell nobody. Find them again.
Have mercy, have mercy. I'm gonna penny arena the party. Silver out from the country. What do you know? Some girl take me a walk and them not get nothing. None them not get nothing. And I breathe for the man and them not get nothing. None them not get nothing. I wash me a dirty clothes and I get nothing. Hey, none them not get nothing. Oh man, show me something where you good will give you, boy. Girl, where you good will give you. Girl, show me something where you good will give you, boy. Girl, where you good will give you. Chain run your neck, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. And the ring by your finger, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. And the bag by your hand, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. Give you in your house, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. And the fridge in your house, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you, girl. And the old kind of man, I mind you just jump around, kind of man cry for you, girl. And the old you not get so walk on. Ball it to the man a bowl, you see up, girl. And the old kind of man treat you good, you don't. Ball it to the man not treat you bad, girl. And the old you want no alley button. Body can girl them a no alley button. Augustine girl them a no alley button, girl. And the girls get some out them and you just jump around and show you dive on. Girl I take me a walk and them not get nothing. Nothing them not get nothing. And I breathe for the man and them not get nothing.
So that now promoter, you ask to link up on the music room to me, see? That's a promoter, you ask to link up.
I don't want to get dark. That's why I want to challenge Silver. I can't spark. Anyway, we alone play dance cock, man. You see, look at tin panty one of this. I'm not going to work this year, man. I'm telling you. Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo.
Now.
Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo. Hear this, people. Listen, Silver. Hey. Good morning, son. Well, long time Silver I greet ya. Alright then. What? Student come to school, we learn from their teacher. Jilly boom day.
My God, Mr. Honey J. Reaching out to you and you. Watch this.
When I hear me, man, someone want to get dark. That's one one come challenge Silver. I can't spark. Anyway, we alone play dance cock, man. Yeah. You see, look at tin panty one of this. I'm not going to work this year, man. They're telling you. Ayaga yaga yeah.
Now.
Ayaga yaga yo. Ayaga yaga yeah.
Now.
Ayaga yaga yo. Hear this, people. Listen, Silver. Hey. Good morning, son. Well, long time Silver I greet ya. Alright then. Student come to school, we learn from their teacher. Jilly boom day. Well, if I learn that they put in a corner. Come on then. Let them know Silver ask how it a the roller. Jilly boom then say. Good morning, son. Well, long time we reach ya. Alright then. Student come to school, we learn from the teacher. Jilly boom then. Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo. Kill a little boom boom them. Kill a little jump on them. Achaka them. Silver chaka them. Come on.
So what?
Achaka them. Silver chaka them. Hey. Kill a little jump on them. Come on.
Boy, I don't want to mess with them feeling way, but right now I can't find a tune them. Gonna like no there, so. Promoter, I ask you for link up, see?
You know what I mean? Silver can do it, tell it to your half pints, I said. Silver, you play and you bring us joy. First the ark and second the boy. Don't kill the ark, they don't take it for no time. Cause sooner or later we gonna kill a sound boy. Run wet, make silver. Run wet, make silver.
Ah, my bad, Mr. Half-Pint. Hey! The man's waiting to one that's getting on, courtesy of the voice, one Mr. Half-Pint. Saying, reaching out to all the crew, watch out.
Hey, people, a long time I want to tell you a piece of my mind, innit? If them come out, they have to come over here, good music and good grooving, you know what I mean? See, I can do it, tell it to your Half-Pint, I say. The little rock you play and you bring us joy. First the ark and second the boy. The drum fill the ark, they don't take it for the toy. But sooner or later we gonna kill.
Wagwan ENT.